lovelies, welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoy the next video. I hope you see something that you like, that you learn something that you want to try, or that you have questions that you would want to do the research and see if it's something you want to do. Alrighty, enjoy the video. This is our lovely dresser. We've had it just a little over a year. And I had a diffuser on top of the dresser, and it cracked unbeknownst to me. And the fragrance essential oil that I had in there was leaking. So as a result, it messed up the top of my dresser. So, dear husband is going to try to repair. Spray paint the top and see what happens. So this is the before. I will show you the after. Husband is behind the plastic tarp that he put up so the overspray from the spray paint won't get on everything other than what he is spray painting. So this is the beginning. We'll see how it turns out. And this is the final result. Turned out pretty good. Turned out pretty good.
No, but still got the streaky.